We're gonna actually go check inside if they've got a wing. That's the only damage on this. I'm actually gonna go inside now and see if they've got a headlight and a wing for this. Bumper looks okay. Looks alright. Let's see if she starts up. So you got a bit of cross there. So yeah, it looks like a nice kind of clean inside here. Smells good as well. This is quite specced out. We got seats for the kids. You can see all this dirt in the back, guys. Have a look at this. So this is my little tips. Look at that. You can see sand. You can see girl's hair. And you can see all that muck that's on the back of the seat. This means that this was a family-owned vehicle. You can see the interior of this car is absolutely immaculate. Absolutely immaculate, guys. I won this car for £1,200 including fees. Absolute bargain. The mileage on this is, I think, 69,000. And look how immaculate these seats are, guys. Let's get the bonnet open and see if we can get started. Right, guys, it's a 1.9 diesel. Looks like everything's legit. I'm not even going to bother touching that. The oil looks really good. I think we're quite good. Let's see, get this battery connected and see if she fires up. Right, guys, we've got the battery connected. Turn that key on. Steering there. Let's drop the steering because it's a bit high. Done. Got the lights on. Make sure it's in neutral. It is. Started first time, guys. Absolutely first time. And that sounds amazing. Look at the mileage. 67,000, guys. First time start. 67 on the clock. Nice. We do have some lights on the dash, but we got our Carly kit. I've got my little brother with me today. He's brought his Carly kit. And we're going to diagnose the car. So as soon as I go check if they got a wing and a headlight. Right, so as soon as I go check if we got a wing and a headlight, I'm going to come back out. We're going to stick the Carly in it and see what the fault codes are on it and erase anything that needs erasing. We've got a 2-hour drive back. Let's just feel the clutch. Starting clutch really low. I mean, you don't expect to change the clutch at 67,000. Steering wheel feels like it's never been used. Let's go check what parts we got. Right, guys, just walking to the place. They did say that they got 2 vehicles matching what we need, and for a wing is £20-something and for a headlight. So we're probably going to be in about 50 quid for a headlight and a wing for that car. So we might get a cheap fix and see how it goes, man. Let's get to the car, see if we got what we need, matching colour. Hopefully. Right, guys, that's the bumper that we got here. So we got the headlight here and we got a wing. It's not, doesn't look like it's a matching color, so however we're going to need to paint it. Those are quite deep scuffs anyway, so that doesn't matter. With the headlight and the wing, we are in it. Just say 50 quid probably with VAT. I'm not sure if it included VAT, but it's all right, man. So now we just need to take this part of ourselves. Right, guys, as you can see, the wing's looking right. 50 quid I reckon including VAT, and we got ourselves a wing and a headlight, and we've not even left the property yet. So we're off to a good start, guys. So stay tuned, man. Pop that off. Maybe you want to turn the speed down, just so you don't round the bolts off. Alright, guys, you got this. You got to pop it, push it straight down. Got it there, and we'll use the drill for that bit. And then there, pop that down. There's the wing. She's off nicely. Really good wing, actually. A few little bits, but it's going to need painting anyway, so we'll get that painted. And the headlight looks really good, so looking forward to getting that off and just getting the hell out of here. We managed to get this bloody headlight off, absolutely nightmare. Bolt was rounded off, but it's off now. Let's get that back on there. Just leave it. Let's go. Right, guys, we're just going to be checking the Carly. However, the lights have gone off. I have driven it a few meters, still in the car park. So I have driven it from there all the way up to here, and the lights on the dash have gone out. Car drives really nice. Gears are really nice and tight. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Let's just plug this Carly in and we'll see what faults. Right, guys, we're just heading to the post office. Car's parked up there. I'm just going post office and I'm going to tax the car. Once I get the vehicle taxed, I will be heading to the motorway. So right, guys, she's all taxed up. Time to hit the road. And yeah, Right guys, prices are such extortion here. I've just topped up 25 quid and that's giving me 130 miles. Bear in mind I did have 30 miles already in the tank, so just add that up to the bill of the car, the cost of taxing it, the £30 late fee as well that I had. We'll run the numbers by the time we're done with this car, finish painting. We'll run the numbers and see what profit we get. Stay tuned guys, let's see how much money we can make on this car. Right guys, I have made it back and it's about 5:30, probably around going for 6 o'clock. We've got about 100 miles left in the tank, which is really good. So remember we had 135 after topping up. We've got about 100 miles left in it. I think we're in it just over £1,400 all in, including the fees, taxing the car and everything. But the car drives really well. I thought it'd be rude not to make this video and complete the video for you guys. So I decided to pull over here and do a little walk around so you guys can actually see what the car looks like. So let's have a look together. But yeah, she looks nice, man. 67k on the clock, can't go wrong guys. Absolutely happy with this one. We got home safely, she drives amazing, clutch is good, the gears are really nice on it. I can't say anything but I love this car. I really do love this car. I mean, it's a shame it's got to go. I wish it was automatic, then I would love it, man. But stay tuned guys. Right guys, so car is all complete now. As you can see, wing been painted, bumper was blended in. Unfortunately, there was a little bit of bird poo on there. Took it to the guys at the hand car wash. They forced it over with their high pressure jet washers and unfortunately took off some of the lacquer. But overall, the paint match, the wing, everything turned out really nice on this one. It's a Cat N, had around 69,000 at this point. Got it around 67. A little bit of overspray there guys. I ended up polishing the whole car and the polish on this car really set it off. I mean, if you look at it when I step back here, just look at the shine on this car. So I didn't go crazy with the polish guys. It was just a light coating with a bit of Maguire's I think I used, and the shine, yeah, it was really happy with this one. There was a few scuffs on the rear bumper guys. I ended up leaving them on the car. At this point the vehicle owes me £1,600. I ended up driving the car for a few months. So mileage at this point is around 69. I think it was around 67 when I got it. Listed the car for around 2 months straight. No interest at all, guys. So I ended up Part X-ing this vehicle as well as another vehicle I got in Part X to one of my trader mates. So it was a 2-for-1 deal. More on the vehicle that I got in Part X in the next video. So if you're not subscribed guys, you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel now. Don't forget to give me a like, it really helps the channel grow as well, please guys. And yeah, I'll see you people in the next one and I will show you what I got in Part X, and you guys tell me if I made a mistake or I did the right thing.